Welcome to week 3. I'm going to get myself out of the way and we take a look at what you can expect here this week. Let's see, down in the content, we've got 3 sections to cover this week, so it may seem like a little more than we've done, but particularly compared to week 2, this is less. Particularly sections 6.5 and 6.6 students find a little bit easier, but 6.4 is about inverse trig functions. We've done a little bit with inverse trig functions, but we're going to look more at the algebraic properties of them this week. And then we get to section 6.5 and 6.6, the law of sines and then the law of cosines. Each of these is going to allow us to work with triangles that are not right triangles. Up to this point, everything has to have a right angle in it somewhere, and then we could do some trig with it. Law of sines and law of cosines are going to allow us to work with any triangle, whether it has a right angle or not. There's a little bit of care you need to take with the law of sines. When you're actually solving for an angle using the law of sines, there's this thing called the ambiguous case that you got to pay attention to. But most part, students find this reasonably easy to do. I hope you find that as well. Of course, make sure you participate in the discussion somehow. Ask a question, answer a question, show a solution to a problem that you're particularly proud of, whatever, that you've done. And of course, at the end of the week, there'll be a quiz that appears, right after the discussion. Make sure you get that done by Sunday night at midnight. Let me know if you have any questions. Hope this is a good week. Fetching the content here apparently is taking a little more time than expected. We're going to have to edit some of this time out because, boy, it's just, it's just fetching data, fetching. This is really fetching data. Fetching data. Here we go. Yes, we have. Let's do this seriously now.